Not many salads can be classified as whole meals, but this protein-packed dish will fill you up and help you feel full longer. Karen Petersen is in the Studio 5 kitchen. She is wowing us with this gorgeous salad display. She's going to show us how to assemble this high-protein salad using Oakdell Egg Farms omega-3 eggs, which is the key to packing in some of that protein, right?
Yeah, we love our Oakdell omega-3 brown eggs. They have a lot of protein in each of the eggs, and they're just a really good way to keep you full longer.
I like to say it's the healthy crack to start your day, right?
Exactly.
You can feel good about putting that in any dish, especially this gorgeous salad. And you're also pulling to the table the shiny new Christmas toy that everyone is just dying to learn how to use, the Instant Pot. You say this is the key to making this salad quickly come together.
Yeah, so the original salad was like, take cooked and cubed chicken and take hard-boiled eggs. I'm like, no, we gotta put those two steps together in one step very quickly, and that's why we're using the Instant Pot today.
Okay.
You don't have to though. If you don't have one, you don't have to use it. But okay, so we're just gonna start with our chicken broth. We're gonna put some in the bottom of the Instant Pot.
Got it.
Then we're gonna throw in a couple chicken breast halves.
Okay.
And then, this is the thing, you're gonna put an oven-safe dish, like a Pyrex like this one, Corningware, something like that, and put 4 eggs, uncooked, on the top of the chicken.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, so kind of just set it
in the bowl, in the Instant Pot.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, this is getting crazy.
Then we're gonna put the lid on. There we go. And we're gonna just set it to 10 minutes.
And it's all gonna cook in there in a matter of 10 minutes?
Yeah, so the chicken and the eggs will cook at the same time.
Crazy.
And yeah, and so you can just kind of like set that aside, and then you can come over here and do the rest of it.
I almost don't believe what's happening over there, but okay, I trust you. I feel good about it.
It's so cool.
What does the rest of it entail?
Okay, so then we're going to put together an awesome flavorful dressing, and it's just olive oil. Get, again, those healthy fats, and then lemon juice. Some dill and some salt and pepper.
All right, there it is.
Yeah, so you just whisk that together.
And by the magic of TV, we have our beautifully cooked eggs over here and our beautifully cooked chicken. I should ask you, where do people get the Oakdell eggs?
Yeah, you can get Oakdell eggs, you know, Smith's, Associated Food Stores, Costco's, where I buy mine, but just, you know, anywhere, pretty much in Utah.
And we're assembling?
Yeah, so we're going to take this is what the chicken will look like when it's all done being cooked. I cooked that this morning in my Instant Pot.
Yeah. 10 minutes, in it goes?
Yeah, in it goes. And then while you're putting the rest of it, I'm going to chop up these eggs.
Some green onions,
so green onions, tomatoes, corn, chopped avocados. And you know what I really like is putting this salad over some crisp lettuce leaves or quinoa.
Yum.
Yeah, there's a lot of ways, and you know what? We actually just make the salad and eat it just for dinner, like the whole. That's all we eat.
This looks amazing.
Because it has everything you need in it.
My husband's usually a little skeptical about salad dinner. I think you do this. Hey, tell me about the contest you have running on Facebook too.
Yeah, so we have a lot of like fun contests and things going on our Facebook page right now. So it's Oakdell Eggs. Egg Farms on Facebook. Okay. So make sure to join us there, and then also go to our website for this recipe and all the other good, healthy, nutritious New Year recipes.
We'll post links on our website. Thanks, Karen.